6 EA agents, $10, 9 Etsy listings, fully written, ready to publish without me touching a single one. Let me show you exactly how I built it, the 2 ideas I had to throw away first, and the 1 rule that saved me from publishing something I would regret. Real talk, how many hours have you wasted scrolling through Etsy trying to figure out what to sell next? You're not designing, you're not making anything. You're 47 tabs deep, second guessing every idea. I was doing the exact same thing until I found a way to hand the whole process to AI. Not one AI, to a team of them. Today, I'm walking you through how I built it, what I spent, what broke, and what worked. The third attempt is where this clicked. Wait till you see how many products one prompt produced. The tool is Paperclip AI. Instead of using one AI and asking you to do everything, which never quite works, Paperclip lets you build a team of specialist agents that delegate to each other. Think of it like hiring a whole company, except payroll is just your API cost. It's open source, free to run, and once you see it working, it's honestly kind of unfair. I called my company AI Etsy Product Factory. Mission: find trending product ideas, validate them, design, and write ready to paste Etsy listings. Quick reality check before we keep going. Paperclip doesn't spit out finished Canva templates. It produced the brief and the paste ready Canva AI prompt. You still build the actual template. I'll show you how to do it exactly in the next video. Link at the end of this one. Now let's meet the team. The CEO runs the show, reads the mission, breaks into tasks and delegates. Doesn't do the actual work, just manage everyone else. The research agent, the scout, constantly scanning through Etsy and the web for trending, profitable niches. The product agent, the creative one, designs the actual product concept and structure. The review agent, quality control, critiques every other agent's work. Sometimes it's the only thing standing between you and the bad listing. The variation agent, my favorite, takes one approved product and multiplies into dozens of distinct variations. One mold, dozens of products. The listing agent writes your full SEO optimized Etsy copy, title, tags, description, paste ready. That's the team. Now let me show you how to set it up. By the way, I put the exact prompts I used in this video into a free PDF. You can grab it from the link in the description. This is the most technical part. Stick with me, it's faster than you think. You have 2 options. Option 1, run it on your own computer. This is what I did for testing. Totally free. The catch, the moment you close the laptop, your AI company goes to sleep. Not great if you want to actually working while you live your life. Option 2, run it on cheap VPS. That's a small cloud computer that never sleeps. I'm planning to move mine to Hostinger. They actually have one-click paperclip templates. For this video, I ran everything locally so you can see what you're getting without committing to a server first. If you are going to local root, it's literally one command in your terminal. It walks you through an interactive setup, database admin login, your first company. Takes about 3 minutes. The wizard walks you through 3 quick screens. Company is where you set up the mission. The more specific you are, the better. Get lazy here and the output will be lazy too. Mine was find trending Etsy digital product ideas, validate them, create variations, and write ready to list description for Canva templates. Agent is where you create your CEO and pick the AI brain that powers it. You can plug in Claude, Gemini, OpenCode, whatever you prefer. The CEO is the one that delegates everyone else. Task is the first job you hand to your CEO, and the CEO first job is to build a team. So this task is essentially hire the agents we need to run this company. The CEO will spin up the research, product, review, variation, and listing agent on its own. You don't create them manually. Hit launch and you're live. Every agent gets a monthly spending cap. Hit that cap and the agent pauses automatically. No runaway cost. Heads up, you can apply budget cap per agent or the whole project. Set up both if you want more protection. Foundation built. Now let me show you what happened when I actually ran it. I didn't nail it the first time or the second try. Here's the honest timeline. First run, I launched the research agent on its own. It came back with private practice therapist Instagram social media kit. On paper, fine, but look at the scope. It's massive bundle, 75 design assets. The review agent approved it, didn't flag the size as a problem. I killed it anyway. Lesson: a great market doesn't mean a buildable product, at least not for your first one. If the AI proposes something that will take you 40 hours in Canva, skip it until you have validated the workflow with something simpler. I tightened the prompt, asked for simple, low-effort template only. Ran it again. Idea: perimenopause symptom tracker. This time the review agent earned its salary. It came back with approved with changes and demanded medical disclaimer, revised projection, and price floor of $4. The brief technically could have shipped with edits, but I'm not medical expert and doctor visit prep with my name on it sound like a slow motion liability. Killed it. Tell your research agent what to avoid. Explicitity, health, finance, anything requiring a license, anything with copyrighted characters. Bake those filters into the prompt. Don't assume the AI will read your mind. At this point, I spent $4 on dead ends. Not nothing, but cheaper than 20 hours of my own research. Third try, I rewrote my prompt with hard niche constraints. No medical, no financial, no copyrighted characters, simply to build in Canva. What came back? BBQ co-ed baby shower invitation. I loved it instantly. Real market, cute concept, buildable in a few hours. Zero legal headaches. And this is where I want to show you one setting that most people miss. On every single task, you can assign a review agent. So after the product agents finish this work, the review agent automatically critique it and send back revision notes. It's like having a built-in editor for every step in the pipeline. Turn this on, it changes everything. The result? 9 fully spec'd product listing, 1 core design plus 8 variations. SEO titles, descriptions, tags, every single one came with space-ready Canva AI prompt. Cost for BBQ run alone? $10. Running total? $14 to get my first real product. Now I wanted to see if CEO could run the entire pipeline solo. No manual handoffs. I gave CEO 1 prompt, the full mission, and walked away. What came back? Boho wedding bundle, 5 sign templates, 4 aesthetic variation, 20 paste-ready Canva AI prompts. Auto research, designed, reviewed, varied, and written. Cost $10. 2 products bundle total, $24 all in. If you are standing fresh, here's the workflow that actually saves money. Run the research agent first, alone. Look at the idea before anything else. And ask yourself 3 questions. Can I build this in Canva in an afternoon? Is it legally clean? No medical, financial, copyright? And third, would I actually buy this? If yes to all the 3, green light. Then let the rest of the team run as one big autopilot task. If the idea is bad, you're out $1, not 14. Full autopilot is incredible, but only after you validated the niche yourself. AI handles the execution, you're still the one with taste. So 6 agents, $24, and 2 product bundles ready to go. Not bad, but here's the thing. These briefs and prompts are only useful if you can actually turn them into a real Canva template. So, in the next video, I will take one of these AI-generated product ideas and will build an actual Canva template step by step. Click on the next video and I will see you there.